Good morning, students. Today we will study about human excretory system. What is excretion? Excretion is the elimination of metabolic waste material like ammonia, urea, uric acid, etc. from the body. Excretory organ in animals, that is flame cell or protonephridia in Platyhelminthes, rotifers, Annelida, Nephridia in Annelida, Malpighian tubules in insect, green glands or antennal glands in crustaceans, and kidney in the higher animals, including humans. Type of excretion. When the excretory material is ammonia, that is known as ammonotelism. When urea, that is urotelism. When uric acid, it is known as uricotelism. In human excretory system, it consists of a pair of kidney, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder, urethra. And the diagram we can see here of the kidney. This is that blue color tube, that is inferior vena cava. This is dorsal aorta, that red color. This is adrenal gland just above the kidney. This is kidney. This is a renal vein, renal artery, pair of ureter, urinary bladder, urethra. This is cortex, medulla, pelvic. Now the structure of kidney. Reddish brown bean-shaped structure enclosed in a tough three-layer fibrous capsule. It is situated between the level of last thoracic and third lumbar vertebrae. Length of the kidney is 10 to 12 centimeter. Breadth is 5 to 7 centimeter. Thickness is 2 to 3 centimeter. An average weight of the kidney is 120 to 170 gram. It may differ from person to person. The diagram we can see. On the concave side of the kidney, there is an opening through which the blood vessel, nerves, lymphatic ducts, and ureter enters the kidney. Hilum leads to funnel-shaped cavity called renal pelvis with a projection called clysis. That we can see here the diagram. This here clysis. This is renal artery, red color, renal vein, renal pelvis, urethra, renal capsule, cortex. This is a renal column, medullary pyramid. This. Each kidney has outer cortex and inner medulla. Medulla has few colonical projection called renal pyramid, and this is also known as renal pyramid as a medullary pyramids projecting into clysis. Cortex extended in between the medullary pyramids as renal column called column or Berthany, that we can see here. This is medullary pyramid, which is also known as renal pyramid. This is the structure of that kidney, magnified structure. Now nephron. Each kidney has nearly 1 million tubular nephron. Nephrons are the structural and functional unit of kidney. Each nephron has two parts, glomerulus and renal tubule. That we can see here the diagram. This is proximal convoluted tube, that is Bowen capsule here outer. This is glomerulus, distal convoluted tube. This is collecting tube, ureter, loop of Helen, glomerulus is a tuft of capillaries formed by afferent arteriole, a fine branch of renal artery. Blood from the glomerulus is carried away by an afferent arteriole, that we can see here, this diagram. This is Bowen capsule, glomerulus, afferent arteriole, afferent arteriole. This is efferent, this is afferent arteriole. Renal tube begins with a double wall curved like Bowen's capsule, which encloses the glomerulus. Glomerulus plus Bowen capsule, that is Malpighian body, that is renal capsule. Nephron in real tubules. The tubule continue with proximal convoluted tubule, that is PCT, Helen's loop, and distal convoluted tubule, that is DCT. Henle's loop is heparin shaped. It has descending and ascending limbs, that we can see here in this diagram. This is Bowen capsule. This is ascending limb of loop end. This is conducting duct. This is ascending limb. This is descending limb of loop begins. The DCT of many nephrons open into collecting duct. Collecting duct extends from cortex to inner part of medulla. They converge and open into the renal pelvis through medullary pyramid in the clysis. This is Bowen capsule, proximal tube passing through that descending limb. This is part of nephron, loop of Henle. This is again ascending limb. This passing through again, there is a connecting duct and passes through the urethra. Malpighian body, that is PCT and DCT, are situated in the renal cortex. Loop of Henle dips into the medulla. The afferent arteriole emerging from glomerulus form a fine capillary network around the renal tubule. A minute vessel of this network runs parallel to the Henle loop, forming a U-shaped vasa recta. The tube continue with proximal convoluted tube, that is PCT, Henle loops, and distal convoluted tube, that is DCT. Henle loops is heparin shaped in descending and ascending limb, that already I explained you. Type of nephron, that is cortical nephron, that is 85%. In this, the Henle's loop is short and extended only very little into the medulla. Vasa recta is absent or highly reduced. Juxtamedullary nephrons, that is 15%. In this, Henle loop is long and run deep into the medulla. Vasa recta present. Here we can see. From here it is cortex. This is medulla, collecting duct. Thanks for today.